stop. This is the one, so look no further. This 3-bed, 2-bath, newly renovated home is absolutely stunning. Everything is on the main level, except the bonus room. The open floor plan is perfect for entertaining. Marvel at the all-white kitchen, with top-of-the-line appliances, gorgeous quartz counters, massive island and a tiled backsplash. Current owners poured their heart into this one as they never plan to leave. Custom finishes abound, motorized shades in the main living areas, quartz in the baths, wood floors, tile and designer paint throughout. Plus updated fixtures and faucets. The bonus room is perfect for a media/play room, office, or gym. Large level lot. Extra large, new back patio. 2-car garage. New windows 2021. New roof 2020. Enjoy an easy drive to shops, restaurants, 840 and the Towhee Golf Club. No Hoa. Home zone for brand new Battle Creek HS for 2024.